Alright, YouTube viewers, here we have this 48-inch Evergo with stencil. This is the main reason I got this. I saw it on Craigslist. Evergo stencil is pretty hard to find, so I love the stencil. It looks great. Let's see if we can get some of these tags. It might be a little too dark. I'm trying to leave the light off in here. Nope, there's that. Look here. You'll see May 1985. So this is the white and brass. Let's go ahead and see what it does. I'm leaving the garage light off since the white kit on it gives out a good effect. So let's go ahead and go high, medium, low. And it came complete. Mounting hardware can't beat everything. It's a little hummy, but nothing I couldn't stand with. Let's go ahead and go to medium. As you can tell, it's perfectly balanced and everything. There's nothing really wrong with this fan. It's impressive. And high speed. As usual, thing flies on high. Has a little bit of a wobble on high. So I haven't been able to find my tripod, so I know I'm holding the camera. It's a little shaky. But this might be one I actually keep. And not really, once again, I'm still not a fan of the switch housing. I may honestly just steal the blades and put other blades on this one. Fortunately, I don't have a white Evergo wood blades. I have a brown one, but no white ones. So if I ever found a white Evergo wood blades, had no switch housing, I'd probably put the blades on them. Man, I love that stencil. Usually I'm not much for stencil or cane, but this stencil looks exquisite. I've never seen this stencil before either. So some collectors say it's rare. I would say it's rare. I've found many Evergos. I haven't seen stencil on one of them until just now, and what I got, it looks very nice. Pretty good spin down. The bearings are in good shape and everything. Thanks for watching.